I know it would never happen. If Santa Claus reindeer went out of control, how would you handle it? Welcome back to my channel. It's Karate Mask. In this video, I have a special Christmas project. I'll talk about how to deal with a reindeer riding Santa Claus using karate when he get out of control. If you watch this video to the end, you may surely understand the important gist of martial arts. First, I want to tell you something, as the video is my personal choice, so don't take it seriously and look at it with an easy mind. And I'm open to different opinions. If you have any recommendations, please leave a comment. Also, before I start the main part, let me introduce you to a few of my channels. This channel is designed to support karate beginners who want to start karate or get a black belt, and I continue to plant videos showing tips and training methods for karate beginners. For this reason, please subscribe so that you don't miss out on the benefits of this video, which will help you practice and improve your skill efficiently. Okay, let's move on to the main portion. Let's start with the reindeer profile. Here's what the wiki says about it. Name reindeer. Habitat Arctic Chandra 1.2 to 2.3 meters long, 0.9 to 1.5 meters tall. Weight approximately 60 to 300 kilograms. Let's consider the reindeer strategy here. Since the reindeer is described as having no maxillary teeth and low mastication ability, its most likely mean of attack would be to use its strong physical strength to charge forward with the antlers. In addition, they have a thick coat of armor to protect them from the cold environment, making them a very well-balanced animal in terms of attack and defense. But only this time, the reindeer would be hairless. The victory condition depends on how much damage can be done through the thick armor by dodging the opponent's corner attacks. First, let's simply catch the opponent's antlers. Reindeer have a power to run at 80 km per hour. Even if you could stop them before they reach top speed, their strong neck muscle would probably turn them around. Therefore, this method is not recommended. If you can catch the opponent, think of a way to handle his attack. Let's use karate at this time. You're gonna handle reindeer attack. I recommend this Nawashike or Ukenagashi. The movement of reindeer horn is irregular, and even single attack can be fatal. If you catch them head-on, you again find yourself drawn away from their mighty power. Therefore, I not only uke but also tensing to parry the opponent's attack. With this, I control the flow of the opponent's power while gaining the advantageous position from which is easy for me to attack. However, one problem arises here, the means of attack. As explained at the beginning of this chapter, a reindeer's 300 kg body cannot be damaged by human power alone. At this rate, my situation will only get progressively worse. If you're stuck in a corner with no decisive move, that's why it ends. So what do you use? The answer is Nukite. In brief, Nukite is a karate technique that strikes the throat, flank, solar plexus, eyes, etc. of an opponent. This way, no matter how sturdy the opponent is, the damage can still be done. However, I never used such a dangerous technique in my life, and much less attack such a cute little reindeer. I just can't do it. Karate's demands are changing with the times. In the past, it was invented purely for one's own survival in battle. But nowadays, not only physical and mental strength is required, but also strength in everyday life from now on. One is strength in life. For example, working posture. Almost everyone who plays sports, such as martial arts and dance, has a straight posture as well. Studies have shown that having correct posture has a positive effect on both external appearance and mental health. Taking good care of your belongings. Taking care of your belongings is connected to taking care of yourself and others. Conversely, if you can't take good care of things, you may not be able to take good care of yourself. Treat your gi and armor with care and use them with love and care. Then all the people and things you chase will be utilized to make you more happy. Continuity, consistency. In order to accomplish anything, we have to set up daily routine and go right next to loneliness. Being lonely is not a bad thing. It's way to placing yourself so you can create your future perspective, your own ideas and values there. Nowadays, it's easier to express yourself on social media. But from now on, I think it's important to express yourself in real life, outside of social media. It does not matter if it's not karate. I think it's the same for everyone in other sports. In my case, I hope that through karate you will not only be strong in the game, but also in your life. And last but not least, I encourage you to continue to support Karate Mask next year in 2025. Have a happy Christmas and New Year. If you think this video is good, please like or comment. See you in the next video and Merry Christmas. Peace out.